How to create ad account on Facebook Business Manager. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell button on for more updates. So as you can see here, we are on the page, and this is what our page looks like. And what we're going to do is go to the Meta Business Suite. Once we are here, you can see these options, or we are going to be directed through here, and this will be the interface of the Facebook. So what we're going to do is go to the URL and change all. After facebook.com, type in settings just like this on the screen, and then what we're going to do is go through here, and we can go to add accounts, and in add accounts we can just add, and you can see here the option create a new ad account. So we were going to be choosing this one, and after putting all your details, you can just wait and see if the account is added, but I'm sure it will be added. So if the loading is done, you can see that the ad account is visible on these settings. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.